Hey guys, welcome to Star Rubics with Oyinda AE, where we discuss fashion at large and in focus. Today, we'll be looking at the different types of bras that we have in our closet. First type we'll be looking at is the bralettes. This is a non-underwire bra with no padding and no molded cups. It's very much usually worn as an outerwear when you're trying to achieve a sexy-ish look. The next type is the bandeau. The bandeau is typically a strip made of stretchy fabric, very easily worn and very comfortable at the same time. More commonly worn as a bikini but also an underwear. The third bra is the plunge bra. This bra is very functional. It has low cut cups and is joined by a thin center edge. It's designed for outfits with a deep neck or very low neckline. The next bra we'll be looking at is the strapless bra. The strapless bra was designed without shoulder straps. It was designed also for off-shoulder or tube dresses or outfits. The fifth bra type we'll be looking at is the demi bra. This has wide set straps, half-shaped cups, and horizontal bust lines. Also designed for low necklines. This next bra is very common amongst women. It's called the push-up bra. It was designed with extra padding at the bottom of the cups to help push the bust and create that illusion of bigger breasts or perkier boobs. You probably have one of these in your closet. Lastly, we'll be looking at the balconette. The balconette is quite similar to the demi bra, except it has a more retro look and the cups are way more lower than the demi. So that'll be all on types of bras for today. There's a part 2 coming up, still on the Era channel. I hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching.